Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction 3 minus 3 plus 3 times 4 over 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Negative 3 plus 3 gives us 0. So our fraction is equal to 0 times 4 divided by 3. 0 times 4 gives us 0. And 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. No correct path. Our fraction can be written as minus 3 plus 3 times 4 divided by 3. The numerator divided by the denominator. Okay? And here, according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, we first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Here we have these parentheses, and inside these parentheses, we have one addition and one multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than addition. So first we have to handle this multiplication. 3 times 4 gives us 12. So negative 3 plus 12, then divided by 3. Negative 3 plus 12 gives us just 9. Okay, so 9 divided by 3. And this is equal to 3. So our final answer to this problem is just 3.